Presentation skills. In contemporary corporate world, first impression often makes or breaks a deal. It is the presentation that projects one personality, business style and capabilities. Even if our idea is worth million, presentation is important. Public speaking and presentation skill is not an easy task and it needs a lot of preparation, data and information. Effective presentation holds a great impact on professional life. Aspects like effective voice modulation, eye contact, attire, dress code, language set to connect with audience and the art of body language is absolutely crucial in the field of presentation. Let us take a look at basic definition of a presentation. A presentation is a means of communication which can be adapted to various speaking situations such as talking to a group, addressing a meeting, or briefing a team. To be effective, step by step preparation and the method and means of presenting the information should be carefully considered. A presentation concerns getting a message across to the listener and may often contain a persuasive element. For example, a talk about the positive work of your organization. Few basic tips while delivering a presentation include maintaining eye contact. A strong visual connection with audience is crucial when you are illustrating a point in your presentation. This gives the whole presentation a more personal feel. It helps to reflect attention and interest, provide feedback with clarity during speech. Your audience will focus more on your message if they feel that you are speaking directly to them. Using hand gestures. Moving your hand throughout the course of your presentation as you strive to make a particular point, emphasize your word with hand gestures. Move naturally. If you walk around stage as stiff as a plank, you are losing point with your audience. Fluid, confident movement create cohesiveness between the logic and the tone of message. You should be capable of getting your audience on your level and keeping them there. An audience that feels that you are comfortable will be comfortable in turn. These basic tips will help to drastically improve the audience retention, responses, and perception while making a presentation. A presentation is not limited to the times you stand in front of a group of people. It comprises of conference room presentation and one-on-one presentation. But in any kind of presentation, the key element of a presentation comprises of presenter. The presenter communicates with audience and control the presentation. Audience. The audience receive the presenter message. However, this reception will be filtered through and affected by such things as the listener own experience, knowledge and personal sense of values. Message. The message are delivered by the presenter to the audience. The message is delivered not just by the spoken word but can be augmented by techniques such as voice projection, body language, gestures, eye contact, and visual aids. And the audience reaction. The audience reaction and success of the presentation will largely depend upon whether the presenter message was effectively communicated. The above mentioned key elements will contribute significantly to increase your values to the market and deliver effective presentation. Now let us understand how to prepare a presentation. Preparation of a presentation is the single most important part of making successful presentation. This is the crucial foundation and you should dedicate as much time as possible. Avoid shortcuts. Not only good presentation ensure that you have thought carefully about the messages that you want to communicate in your presentation, but it will also help boost your confidence. A successful presentation involves preparation of your core messages and its supporting element. Try to answer few basic questions as you prepare each presentation. Who is my audience? When communicating with a new audience, identify them. Who are they? What's their profile? Why should they care about what you have to say? And the more you learn about your audience, the more you can connect with them. What's my goal? Write one sentence describing the goal of your presentation. Make sure you are crystal clear on what you want the audience to take away from your comments. What is my call to action? What action do you want your audience to take? Now let us see three phases of presentation preparation. Define your message. Make it simple and clear. Frame your message. Provide a story structure. Refine your message. Edit and use only the essential elements. Let us see how to clearly define your message. Make sure that you clearly understand your message and can convey it in a simple and clear statement. Sum up your presentation in one sentence. This clear statement will guide you as you select an appropriate framework for your message. Your conclusion is as essential as your entire message. As you start to prepare your presentation, you should also have a decisive conclusion in mind. Know what you want your audience to do with your information. Next phase of preparing a presentation is how to frame your message. Presentation should contain the basic element of story structure with a beginning and middle and a conclusive end. This familiar three parts format will ensure that your message stay on track. Let last phrase of any presentation is refining your message. Edit and use only the essential element of messages. In the final phase, you will take out the weakest element items that appear perfect in the layout of the presentation. Don't always work when spoken aloud or in relation to other elements. After setting your message and choosing an appropriate structure, you will add stories, quotes, and data, etc. to flesh out your message. Before your presentation becomes bad, perhaps your toughest job is to remove the items that don't fully support your core message. Now, a vital part of any kind of presentation includes tactics on how to deal with question. Question can be neutral, friendly, or hostile. At the start of your presentation, you should make it clear whether and when you would prefer to deal with question. As you go along or at the end of the presentation, some speakers prefer questions to be raised as they arise during the presentation. The advantage of this approach is that any misunderstanding can be dealt with as they immediately arise. And if you find that any question is provocative, answer it directly. Now, let us learn how to answer question effectively. Treat your audience with the respect and you would like to have shown to you. Answer their question directly and honestly. Listen carefully to any question and if the audience is large, repeat it to ensure everyone in the audience has heard. Answer briefly and to the point. If you do not answer, then say so and offer to find out and ensure that you do so. I don't know is a very acceptable answer to some difficult question, and it is much more acceptable than stumbling through an answer or making something up. These three elements will help you to deliver a clear and memorable presentation message. Apply these three elements and your next presentation will be a work of art. It will help to grow your confidence and level and reduce greatly the level of fear and nervousness. Through this presentation, we have covered key points of a persuasive presentation. In the next presentation, we will discuss about essential tips for effective business meetings. Thank you.